But that's how I ended up. A little scary at the end.
Hello, you might recognize me from a different YouTube channel. This one is gonna be different, but why? Why is it gonna be different? Now, you'll see.
Still good. Oh man.
Front tires are a little wobbly. There's a slight bit of play in the steering wheel. Riding lawnmower. So we're gonna take it out on some trails today and see how it performs as an all-terrain vehicle. Does not have the mower deck for better ground clearance, and we have knobby tires for better traction. Has this special skull shifter for extra, I don't know, something. Has a fancy muffler on it. Has a steering wheel and a seat. There is also a front bumper on it, and we might put that to use today and see how it performs as an all-terrain vehicle. Slow off-road vehicle.
Oh, crunchy. That's not good.
And that's what we're doing for fun. Getting stuck.
Man. Oh, everyone.
This is going better than I could have possibly hoped.
And then, yeah, so I went up the bush, dove into the bush, nearly tipped it over sideways there. I had to dip my foot into the water for that. Then I came up, dove in there, and then stuck. And then, yes, wanted to just invert. And somehow, my shoes are way dirtier than your shoes. It gets the heart pumping for sure. Out gear, enjoying the slow speed.
You got this wonderful bush.
Oh, it's smoking up a bit. Film on the go here. Quick crossing number 2. Just couldn't get enough getting stuck. Jump across the creek and get a better angle, but I also don't want to jump into the creek. I don't want to jump into the creek and get all wet. Oh, love the wheelie. The wheelie was the best part.
settled out. Obviously the filming got a little scary at the end.
Hi, Josh.
And leaking a little fuel, but it's okay. Still good.
Ta-da!
Oh man. Okay, Jordan's off to get me a shop towel so we can wipe some of the fuel off the seat. Apparently when this mower tips over, the fuel just starts coming out the top of the fuel cap. Meaning it's not really a one-way vent. It's more like a always open vent. Which is fine unless you're upside down. Yeah, I did know that I didn't want it to come down on top of me. Not sure how much we can see in the video, but once I laid back on the ground, I just rolled away in case it flopped over, but that was good. Good fun. All in all, not a bad day of mower riding. Nothing on the mower broke, which I'm quite surprised about, but I could tell that it does need some improvement. These could be a possible upgrade for the tires. The goal with these mowers is to take them somewhere even more difficult than we went today. So if it's something that you enjoyed, definitely subscribe up. If a lot of people enjoyed it and liked it, we'll probably do some more. If you hated it, well, I guess that's what the comment section is for, so go wild. Just remember, even if it's slow, you can still go out and mow in the snow. Well, this channel's not about mowing the lawn. I don't know if we'll see any snow. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.